In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Amazon reviews on Shopify. We'll be using a popular reviews app called Judge.me to bring your Amazon social proof straight into your Shopify store. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along in your own admin dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, click into the search bar. From the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the app search, type Judge.me and wait for the results to load. When you see the Judge.me product reviews app in the list, click on it, then click the button to install. Shopify will guide you through a few prompts, such as confirming permissions. Just follow those prompts until the installation is complete. Once Judge.me is installed, you'll automatically be taken into its onboarding process. This is where you'll set up how the app works on your store. Start by choosing your language settings. This will control the language for your review widgets and any emails the app sends out. You can also choose which Shopify theme you want Judge.me to install on. When you're happy with those choices, click Next. Next, Judge.me may ask you a few things about your business, like your industry or size. This part is optional, so if you don't want to provide that information, you can skip it and continue. You'll then see options for how you plan to import reviews. Make sure you check the boxes that match your situation, such as importing from other platforms, then click Next to move on. At this point, you'll be asked to enable the app embed. Click the button to enable it, and you'll be taken to your Shopify online store editor. On the left-hand side, find the app embed section and make sure Judge.me is toggled on. Once it's enabled, click Save, then return to the Judge.me onboarding screen and click Next. Now click Install Review Widget. This opens your online store editor again and shows a preview of the review section on your product page. Click on that review section, then look at the left panel and click Manage App. Choose Continue with the free plan if that's what you want to use, and you'll be taken to the main Judge.me app settings. Inside Judge.me, go to Settings, then click Import Reviews and choose Import from Platforms. From the list, find the Amazon Review Importer and click it. Then click Import Review. Follow the on-screen steps to connect and import your Amazon reviews. You can choose whether to import store-wide reviews or only reviews from specific products. Before you proceed, check the box confirming that your reviews are genuine and that you have permission to import them. When everything looks correct, click Import and Judge.me will start bringing your Amazon reviews into Shopify.